Hello, my name is Joe Evans and I'm a Senior Design Engineer at Dyson. Today we're going to take apart the anti-tangle screw head. This is one of the V12 Detect Slim attachments and Dyson engineers have developed it to stop hair wrapping around the brush bar. The anti-tangle screw head is the next generation of the tangle-free turbine tool, which you may have seen in a previous video. The first step of disassembly of this tool is to lift this red catch. This enables the outside housing to be lifted away. Now the cover is removed, you can see the interesting shape. When developing this brush bar, Dyson engineers look back at ancient Egypt for inspiration. They used Archimedes screws to move water from low to high elevations, and Dyson engineers have used the same principle. The brush bar shape is both helical, which means a twist, and conical, which means going towards a point. These are combined to move hair across our brush bar and out into the machine. Underneath the brush bar, there is something called a drive dog. This part has some small ridges which are twisted. This means that when the brush bar is rotating, it naturally wants to pull the brush bar into the housing, meaning it doesn't fall out. How these heads are powered are some of the main differences between the new and old tool. The new head uses a brushed DC motor, and it transmits its power through two pulleys and a belt to the brush bar. On the previous iteration, the tangle-free turbine, this red part here is the turbine. It's power from the air that's sucked up from the ground and makes it spin. This worked well on our corded machines when we had lots of power and lots of airflow. On the latest machines, we wanted to be more efficient and not have any air that was going to waste. That's why we used a brushed DC motor. This is a more efficient way to rotate the brush bar and doesn't waste any air pressure. We'll talk more about this in the next video.